GTU talking about intimacy now. Wasatch Medical Clinic in Murray has a breakthrough treatment for ED, and Mark Kramer is back on the show in this sponsored interview. It's good to see you.
Good to see you as well. Thank you.
Tell our viewers about acoustic wave therapy. What is it and how does it work?
Okay, so acoustic wave therapy, it's a breakthrough treatment. We're talking about erectile dysfunction here. This is a breakthrough treatment. It treats the root cause of ED. Unlike the pills only treat the symptoms. The pills give a temporary increase in blood flow. That's it, and that's why guys have to redose every time, and of course have to possibly deal with side effects as well. You don't have to worry about that with acoustic wave therapy.
Mark, let's break down what's happening here. How many men does ED affect?
A lot of guys. So the data really shows 52% of guys over the age of 50. The prevalence is increasing in guys in their 30s and 40s. I believe the number is actually higher because there are a lot of guys out there suffering in silence.
And you just don't want to talk about it. This is an awkward topic for a lot of guys. Will it go away if you do nothing about it?
It does not. And we're really trying to normalize this conversation because it is a medical issue. It's a lack of blood flow, and it will not get better on its own. So guys really need to have this taken care of if they want to get that intimacy, that spontaneity back into their life. Take a look at the screen there. On the left-hand side, you can see we have a small device which is placed on top of the skin. That device will deliver gentle pressure waves to the blood vessels below. Now, over time, those blood vessels can become damaged. There could be some plaque buildup. After the acoustic wave therapy, you can see what happens to those blood vessels. They're repaired, they open up, and now a guy has good quality blood flow where and when he needs it the most. And again, I can't stress this enough, that spontaneity can return to a guy's relationship.
All right, Mark, I'm sure you get this question all the time, too. Does it hurt? Is it uncomfortable?
And that is the #1 question we get, and the answer is absolutely no. There is no pain whatsoever. This is non-invasive. There are no needles. There is no surgery with this.
How many treatments does the typical patient need?
The average guy is going to need several treatments over the course of a 2 to 3 week period. Those treatments last about 15 minutes each. That's it. So a guy comes in, has his treatment, he walks out, gets back to his normal daily routine.
Okay, so I think this is the most important question. Does it work?
It does work. And at Wasatch Medical Clinic, our numbers show 80% of guys have success with acoustic wave therapy. Now, I would love to be able to say it's 100%. That's just not reality. 80% is a very, very good number, considering we are dealing with guys who have other health issues like diabetes or heart disease, and those things can be very hard on a guy's blood vessels.
Well, and Mark, there are a lot of studies that have been done on acoustic wave therapy, and you can look those up on your website?
Yes, WasatchMedicalClinic.com. 60 clinical studies from 5 different countries. Some of those studies coming from Cambridge University as well as the Cleveland Clinic. The bottom line, those studies show both the safety and effectiveness of acoustic wave therapy.
What does treating your ED do for intimacy in a relationship?
It means a lot. We are talking about quality of life here because even though the guy is dealing with a physical problem, if he's avoiding those intimate situations, it can impact the quality of life of both him and his significant other as well. So if we can get that blood flowing again, we can also see an improvement in the quality of life and an improvement in the relationship.
Go in and see if this is right for you. I know you have something special for our viewers.
Absolutely. Guys, call us today at Wasatch Medical Clinic. We will set you up with that initial assessment that includes the blood flow ultrasound at no cost. Call today to take advantage of this offer, though. The number 801-901-8000, 801-901-8000.
Head to our website for more, abc4.com/GTU, and our thanks to Wasatch Medical Clinic for this sponsored interview. Mark, good to see you.
Good to see you.
We're back with more GTU after this.